Weather, you're not going to need the ARC today, although if you're taking the boat out today, it's going to be nice weather for that. You see satellite and radar showing partly to mostly clear skies from space overhead now. And when we broaden things out, there's a good deal of that until you hit the Great Lakes. And we looked at before Pigeon, Michigan, where it had been raining, and you could see all of these clusters of showers and thunderstorms mainly moving across areas of Michigan going into Canada. But new clusters will form here, and we are expecting to see some of these clusters then come into our neck of the woods as we head in towards tonight after, let's say, 11 o'clock and into the very early morning hours tomorrow. That's when we're expecting to see some scattered showers and storms. Probably it would end pretty much before dawn. Let's go full screen to the graphics to show you that temperatures now are still chilly. They're sitting in the 50s in most towns, and that means you'll want the light jacket or the sweatshirt. Later on today, you won't need it. Temperatures will be comfortable. The air will be dry. Readings will get into the 70s. We have 78 in the forecast for Hartford, 72 for New Haven. Now for downtown New London, we're saying 70, but if you're right at the waterfront, it probably will be in the upper 60s. And I think you can say that for anywhere, especially from Old Saybrook east. That's where I think it'll be coolest as you get closer in towards the New Haven area and beyond. I think even at the waterfront it'll be 70 or 71 degrees. The real warm air, though, is sitting to our southwest, and there's a boundary in between that and the air that we have in place. That warm front is coming through tonight, and that's what's going to trigger showers and storms. And then once it has passed, it is then going to allow this warmer air to come in. And that's why we expect such a change between today and tomorrow. In fact, look at what Futurecast is saying about tomorrow afternoon. It's saying mid-80s, maybe a few upper 80s will be possible. There will be a sea breeze again tomorrow, so it will be cooler along the shoreline, but inland, it's going to be rather toasty tomorrow. Early morning pinpoint Dopplers quiet now. We do expect it to remain so today. It is tonight after 11 that we think showers and some thunderstorms will come in. In fact, today will be delightful with lots of sun and just some cirrus clouds drifting through the sky. There'll be some puffy ones building in the afternoon sky, but not too many. I think we'll have more sunshine than we certainly did yesterday. Sometimes those billowy clouds yesterday really covered things up, but I don't think it'll be like that today. We'll see a lot more sun than that. And here's about 6 o'clock, here's about 8 o'clock. Once about 11 p.m. is here, that's when some showers start to come into the Route 7 corridor, and then past midnight, that's when scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible. We've been saying, and this is the same run we've looked at before, this particular model run takes a lot of that convective energy and pushes it south of Connecticut. That's not to say that that's really what's going to happen. I think we have a good shot at seeing some scattered showers and storms in here with some downpours. Nothing severe, but you might hear the pounding of the rain on the roof, and that might be enough to wake you up, as it will be coming at a time when you're probably going to be sleeping in your early morning 7-day forecast. Then after that, it looks like the rest of tomorrow should be pretty good. We're expecting a warm day with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. You saw it with Futurecast. There could be even a few upper 80s in the real hot spots. Now, during the afternoon tomorrow, I will highlight a chance, maybe a 10% probability of maybe an isolated shower thunderstorm bubbling up in the heating of the afternoon tomorrow. So I would have the Channel 3 app on hand tomorrow. On Monday, I don't think you need to worry as much about that. It'll just be partly to mostly sunny for Memorial Day with temperatures in the lower 80s. We have another warm front coming in on Tuesday, so we get an easterly wind, and actually it's kind of dank. And then Wednesday, at least right now, we think we are going to pop into the warm air. There is some question, though. We might have a back toward cold front coming back in on us, and that might have some influence on Wednesday's temperatures. So Wednesday's kind of a question mark. Certainly will get hot on Thursday.
All right, looks pretty good to me.
It certainly does.